Graphing Calculator Project, video part 3. All right, in your programming steps and notes, we should be at this box number 2, and we're going to begin programming. And these are just some practice lines. You will go back into your program and delete these once you get started. This is just for practice. Okay, we're going to program a horizontal line that has a domain restriction. We only want this horizontal line to graph from a y of -3 it's going to have a y-intercept of -3 from an x of -5 to an x of +2. That's my domain restriction. Okay? So here is what it's going to look like when you put it into your calculator. All of this right here. All of these boxes here show you how to put that in. Your draw F, here's how you put it in. You want the division symbol, that's what you use. If you want to get that guy right there, here's what you use. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to switch over to my calculator. Okay, I'm ready to go. I need to put in the draw F, that's draw function. So I'm going to go to second draw, draws above your program button. Okay, and option number 6 is your draw F. So anytime you want your calculator to draw a function, you have to put in draw F. Okay, now our horizontal line has a slope of 0, so it's going to be 0x, and it's going to have a y-intercept of -3. So -3. There's our function. Horizontal line has a slope of 0, y-intercept of -3. Now, let's put in the division symbol, and here comes our domain restriction. You have to put in the left parenthesis. We want to say, okay, we want you to draw it so that the x's are greater than or equal to -5, and it says you have to go into second test to put that in. So we're going to hit second, test is above the math button. Okay. Option number 4 is the greater than or equal to symbol. So let's choose 4. Oops, I forgot to put in my x. Okay, I'm going to go back over here. Forgot to put it in. I'm going to do second, insert, and put my x in. Okay. So x is greater than or equal to -5. Don't choose a minus. If you choose minus, your calculator's not going to like it. So it's got to be -5. And then we have to put in the and symbol. This is a compound inequality, so we're going to go to second test. Second test. We are going to arrow over to logic, and we're going to choose number 1, and. So put in your and then we're going to put in another x less than or equal to, so second test. Choose your less than or equal to, which is option 6, and then put in the number 2 and your right parenthesis and hit enter. All right. Let's go in and see what that did. All right. Let's hit graph. No, I'm sorry. We have to second quit. We have to go into program and execute. Yeah, Okay, so EXEC means execute. So I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to hit enter again. And there's my line. There is my horizontal line. Okay? If you want a slanted line, you change the slope. So I'm going to go back into program, over to edit. I'm going to go down to where I've made it a horizontal line. Now I'm going to make it a slanted line. I'm going to give it a slope of 2. And I'm going to second quit. I'm going to go back into program, and I'm going to execute, hit enter. And now it's a slanted line, okay, with a domain restriction. That line turns on at an x of -5, and it graphs and shuts off at an x of +2. All right, we will do box number 3 in the next video.